Hey everybody, in this video we're going to divide 14x to the fourth plus 21x to the sixth by 7x squared. Okay, so just a friendly reminder, the way you do this is you divide each term in the numerator by the denominator. So we're going to divide 14x to the fourth by 7x squared, and then we're going to divide 21x to the sixth by 7x squared. So come over here and grab a pen. And I'm going to go green, okay? So let's first focus on these two, okay? So 14x to the fourth divided by 7x squared. Well, first of all, I know 14 divided by 7 is 2. Let's put 2 down here, okay? And then x to the fourth divided by x squared. Well, remember, the rule is when you divide exponents with like bases, you subtract, right? So 4 take away 2 is 2. So that's going to be 2x squared. Okay, so we're halfway there. So now let's grab another color. Let's go blue. Okay, and this time we're going to divide 21x to the sixth by 7x squared. So I know 21 divided by 7 is 3. So that's going to be a 3. And then x to the sixth divided by x squared is going to be x to the fourth. So it's going to be x to the fourth. And then finally, remember, we have a plus sign operation. So I'm going to come over here and grab black. So our final answer is going to be 2x squared plus 3x to the fourth.